Uganda, the Minister for East African Community Affairs, and the patron of the Busoga Consortium for Development, Your Excellency, the third Deputy Prime Minister of Uganda, Minister for Without Portfolio, as well as the Chairperson of the Busoga Ministerial Committee, Your Excellency, Mr. Wen, the Vice Governor of Shandong Province, Your Excellency, Mr. Frank Timagendeka, the Governor of the Busoga Consortium, Your Excellency, Mr. Wang, the Economic Counselor of the Embassy of China in Uganda, all of you distinguished members and people of Busoga, I want to recognize the presence of the leadership of the Kingdom of Busoga, represented by the leader of the Busoga Luchiko, who is here. You're most welcome, sir. And I want to recognize in a very special way the presence of the leadership of the Elgon Consortium that is represented by Dr. Sam Watula Tusu. Please stand up together with your delegation for recognition by Mama. We have a delegation, a high-powered delegation from Mbale. They're here to witness this special occasion. From the schools around Jinja, they will be introduced later on during the program. We want to say welcome to all of you, the children. The children who are the future of Busoga. These are the next prime ministers of Uganda. They're here representing the so many children of Busoga who are studying and who are being mentored into the leaders of the next generation. My responsibility this morning is very simple. I want to undertake three assignments. One, I want to introduce to you the Busoga Consortium. And number two, I want to introduce to you why we are here today. And number three, I'm going to introduce to you the Afrige Development Plan. Jinja is the capital city of Busoga. Busoga is the first regional government that was established under the Constitution of Uganda, and it was established at the time when Her Excellency, the first Deputy Prime Minister, was presiding over the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda as Speaker of Parliament. The Busoga Consortium is centrally coordinated under the oversight of the Office of the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda. And I want to recognize a very special person who is here to represent the Office of the Vice President, the Deputy Principal Private Secretary to Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, Mr. Vincent Musubire Chitiamoes. The Ministry of Local Government is responsible for coordinating all the programs and that are implemented within the Busoga Consortium, because local governments are under the mandate of the Ministry of Local Government. The topmost of leadership in Busoga, we have the patron, and the patron for providing diplomatic oversight of the leadership of Busoga. And the patron of the consortium is the Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, who is the chief guest of this occasion. The patron, we have the committee that brings together the ministers who represent us in the cabinet of Uganda that is chaired by the President of the Republic of Uganda. And we are blessed and honored that the chairperson of the Ministerial Coordination Committee of the Busoga Consortium is the third Deputy Prime Minister of the Republic of Uganda, the Right Honorable Nakadama Rukia Isanga. Cooperation is a win-win. And we as the people of Busoga, we have different ways to contribute towards this cooperation. We have ability to produce, and we are going to make use of the very fertile land we have to produce agricultural products, to trade, areas of education. We have the young people here. They are going to have opportunity to contribute towards this cooperation through education. And our people there, they are equally going to have a role to play in terms of facilitating the cooperation in different ways through people-to-people relations. And already I want to recognize our leaders, the first Deputy Prime Minister, together with the third Deputy Prime Minister, who have been at the forefront of championing and bringing us this far to this cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, join me to give a round of applause to the investors, the Ugandan investors who are from Shandong province who are investing in Uganda. These investors, together with our friends from Shandong province, they're doing a great job. Recently, Mama, they did support our village agriculture model program that you are pioneering, benchmarking from the experiences of China. And they supported them in post-harvest handling of their produce. We have some of the young entrepreneurs, some farmers who are pioneering the growing of chili. The implementation and transformation of programs in Busoga cannot be achieved without working with others. And on this special occasion, recognizing the very great friendship that is enjoyed between China and Uganda, we are here to establish how to lay a foundation that will deepen the cooperation between our two countries by signing a cooperation between Shandong province and Busoga today. The model that we are pioneering, which is called Afrige Development Program. Joseph is the managing director of Afrige. Afrige is a powerful institution that is playing a key role in facilitating the friendship between Shandong and Busoga. And under Afrige, they are introducing a program which seeks to establish a comprehensive bamboo ecosystem integration a program that looks at planting of bamboo, technology transfer, carbon credit development, industrial development, and they want to make bamboo a product that can be really effectively utilized. Out of bamboo, they are able to make furniture. Out of bamboo, we are able to create utensils within our homes. Out of bamboo, we are able to make a lot of products. And our friends from Mbale who are here, they are known for producing bamboo in large quantities. So Busoga is opening gates for building of cohesion with the rest of Uganda in development using initiatives such as Afrige. And today, this initiative is equally going to be launched at the end of this program, Madam Your Excellency.